Oh, this is helicopter, beta.
No, it's actually fighter plane.
Oh, you make.
Open. Open doors.
Okay,
There
that's great.
is
It's
a gun.
very good. So, Papa has got for you.
No, it's my birthday gift.
Oh my God! This happy birthday. When is happy birthday?
30th September already passed.
Oh, ho. No, no, then I can song for you.
Sir, my birthday was on 29th September.
I sing song for you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay. Yes.
Sir, it was my birthday also on 29th.
Oh, that's
My
fun.
birthday is on February 17th.
Oh my God. So for you also I play one song. Nearby birthday is that Kartik. Happy birthday to Kartik. Happy birthday to you. Okay. Thank you so much. I wish you lot to happy birthday and you fulfill your all dreams. So let's first draw the circle, okay? And after that, go to okay, go to like this. Little bit of up, little bit of low, okay, like this, and you can erase this, and you can erase this line. Wow, that's great homework. It's only yesterday I do, and you were making yesterday only. Wow, that's great. This is homework. Very good. It's nice. So I can make it like this. Okay. And after that, yeah, done that much. This bit is little long, okay, circle but little long I did.
That's a Play-Doh class. That looks like a Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
Use for a penguin.
This is the animation movie called Luca. I create this that animation movie characters like this.
And we do Winnie the Pooh next week.
Winnie the Pooh. What is this?
Winnie the Pooh.
Okay, Pooh. I know that. Yeah. So make one line for here and one line for here. Okay, two lines. One.
That are on cartoon, but that are on ghost also.
Oh.
That is the Addams family and Hotel Transylvania.
Wow. Oh, Hotel Transylvania. Right. This is great
And
movie.
all parts, but there was the four part that have been also had given on to the first, but this president in America.
Okay.
He has given the little box, so I always read that and make up and make them connections.
Okay.
So that given them because they were golden favors.
Oh, right. That's why you're always update because your cousin in America. And you are so interested also cartoons, so that's why you have knowledge of all those cartoons. See, this is some alien kind of characters I want to show you. This is a Luca Disney movie.
So are we drawing Alberto or are we drawing Luca?
It is some character Luca, I hope. But this is some alien kind of.
Sir, is that kind of
Yeah, this is ear like this. See, like this is ear.
Yes. When the date was June 18th, so
Mm-hmm.
I was like very happy that the movie had been killed.
Okay. This is Luca. Like this is Luca. Okay. Yes, I wait first draw this one. I can draw. Just I make it here chest and here I make, yeah. I one hand, two hand.
And there was also the movie on July 16th State Jam, and now there is a new movie Ron Gone Wrong.
Okay, this is, wow.
And sir, do you know Sonic the Hedgehog?
Sean in the,
Hedgehog that I had drawn.
no.
Sonic sir.
Okay, no, I don't know. You
There
know?
was an actor who has been worked for that has been worked for I think he has worked for many cartoon movies like he has Hop and and so on.
Okay, you can send the link. Okay, when you take time. Anav is here. Anav is here. Anav Shukla 99729. Oh, you are done, Metal? Okay, show me, Vita, if you finish. Johan, my dear. If you finish, can you show me? Ishan. Nice.
Then, see, I am doing this one.
Nandita, done, Vita? Oh, very nice.
So what is the next step?
Yeah, just a minute.
Sir,
Yes.
is this drawing
Yeah, show it out. Very nice, very nice. We are just, this is an only body I draw very easy way, but after that we can create the real body. Okay, this is only the anatomy inside. So when you are making the real body, you are making like this. Okay, you just erasing this line, inside line, and draw like double line. Draw double line. Erase this in one line, same line, draw double line. Okay, draw double line. Okay, draw double line like this. And link. Just simple. Okay, this is the dress code. You can erasing this circle and all those things. Okay, it is draw. I just draw this one because that it looks good. Okay,
So how to draw the hand? The fingers in the hand.
this hand.
So how to draw the fingers in the hand?
This hand or this hand?
So the first one.
This one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is simple. Just to make it. See, this is like one. This is line, right? Okay. Now here only use 1, 2, 3, like this. As a pretty simple. Baba black sheep, have you one? Yes sir, yes sir. 3 bag full. One for the monster. You can make the color, this is a little bit of green kind of because this character.
He's bluish green, sir.
So it looks like a monster. So after the marker drawings, I can erase the pencil line. Just a second. I can erase the pencil line, so can color it very nicely. Okay. Here also can draw with any kind of pencil. Okay. Here I also can use a little like the some base color I put. You can use some sky color.
Sir, I did my own color. Sir, I did my own color and my own background.
Okay, that's great if you are doing like this. Don't worry, it's fine. Absolutely okay for with you. You have imagination, so you can apply your own imagination. That's absolutely fine. Okay, so let's try, guys. We are going to the next drawing now. First drawing is done.